welcome back, boys and girls. Yes, we are in our creative activity time. Yes, remember earlier we were talking about loud sounds and soft sounds. Yes, and we say that some sounds are loud and some are soft. Yes. So, and we also talk about some things that make loud sound. Oh, remember some of the things we spoke about that make the loud sound? Yes, the tambourine. Yes. What else? A drum makes a loud sound. Yes, and the guitar. So those are in the band. Yes, they make loud sound. Soft sound. Yes, the cat. And the bird. Good, yes. And the children who are whispering. You remember, you are so bright. The children who are whispering. Now, long ago, the drums were used by the slaves. Yes, Mommy can tell you more about that. Yes, and guess what? The drums, they send a message. Yes, so when they beat the drum a certain way, it sends a message. So the slaves used to communicate. You see, now we have cellular phones. Those days they didn't have cell phones, you know. In the slavery days, they used the drums. Yes, and when they beat, so when the slave hear a certain kind of beat, they say, danger, danger, look out. But when they hear another song, they say, it's fun time. So the drums gave messages. The drums send messages, yes. And so today we still have drums. We still have drums today. And we can use the drums to make music. We can use the drum to make music. Yes, we can. Who likes to play the drum? You do? Yes, because you play hard. You like to play the drum to make music. Yes. You have a drum at home? Wow, yes, your mother bought you a drum. So you have a drum at home. Now, I have a drum here. I am going to show you my drum. Yes, it's a real drum, a real drum. Here is my drum. I see you covering your ears. Yes, that was a loud sound. What sound is that? A soft sound. Now, I want to play a rhythm for you. Can you clap to that rhythm? Listen, remember you use your ears. Yes, you can clap to the rhythm. Ta, te, ta, te, ta. You clap while I play. Good job. I'm going to play it soft now. So you're going to clap soft. Let's go. Good job. Now I'm going to play it a little louder. So you have to clap louder. Good job. Let's go. You like that? Yes. And remember we say that drums long ago sends a message. Yes, the slaves use it to send message. We don't use it so much now to send message, but we use it to create a rhythm like the one we just played. Yeah. You are so bright. Yes, the Rasta men have drums. Oh, you are. Yes, the Rasta man. Yeah! Now, did you like that? I know you did. And guess what? You're going to be making some rhythms. I know your mommy going to say, stop the noise, my ears. But mommy needs to give you some time so you can make your rhythm. Yes. So guess what today, boys and girls? We are going to be making our own drum. We are going to be making our own drum. Now, you can use a box, you can use a tin, but I have a roll, I have a tissue roll, and I have paper, I have tape, scissors, and I have my sticks on my drum and glue. So guess what? We are going to be making a drum. Good job. All right, let's go. So first, put my tissue roll on. Okay, let me put it this way. I'm going to put some glue on the paper. And let me open the bottle. Yes, even if your finger get messy, no problem. You can always clean it off afterwards. All right. Okay, gonna put some more glue down to this side. Or I can use the tape as well. Anything you have, whether you have glue or tape, you can use it. We just want to get the area covered. So I'm going to be using the tape all over the paper. Keep this down. And you can use a box, as I said before. There we go. Just want to get it covered. Another piece of tape here. I know yours is going to look much neater than mine. Put another piece of tape here. Keep this up. Good. So I'm getting my drum covered. Put another one here. Like this. Good. Alright, it's taking the shape. Yes, there's a circular drum. Okay. Now, so now I need to cover here. You can leave it like this, you know, but I'm going to cover down here as well. I'm going to cut another piece of paper. Remember, boys and girls, you have to be very careful with the scissors. So you should not be using these scissors at all. you should be using the safety scissors. If you don't have a safety scissors, ask mommy to cut for you. All right. You're saying it looks like that one? Not quite, but if you say so. I'm covering my drum. Now you don't have to make a white drum, you know. You can choose to use any color you wish to. All right, but because I have white paper, I'm using white. But you can also, even if you use white, you can paint it afterwards. Yes. I'm making my drum. I'm going to place it down here. I'm using a lot of tape, yes. Because if I don't have glue, I can always use a tape. I just want to get the area all covered. Good job. It's almost there, almost there. Good. See my drum. Now I'm going to use these as my sticks. So I'm going to use tape to roll to the end of them. And roll it because I want it to make the sound. All right, that should be enough. What color is my stick? Yellow. Good job. You know your colors. Just roll the tape on, roll it on till you have sufficient. Enough is on it. Okay, this is enough. Okay, there you go. How many drumsticks do I have? 2. 1, 2. What color are my drumsticks? They are yellow. I hear somebody say yellow. You say yellow. Yellow. Yes, yellow. Can you play a rhythm? Come again. Rock your body. Come on. Tap 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 tap. Good job. So boys and girls, we just made our drum and we have our drumsticks. And we can make loud sound. We can make soft sound. Just like this drum over here, we can make loud sound with it. I know you like this one. Yay! And we go with a soft sound on this one. Soft, loud, soft, loud, and fun! Yeah, did you like that? I know you did. You sure had fun today. Boys and girls, go make your drum. And remember, you need to make soft sound and you need to make loud sound. Good job. We'll be right back.